Hello friends, and welcome to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find out when you started following someone on the Instagram app. Friends, please subscribe to our channel. Also be sure to put your likes and write your comments at the end of the video. So let us get started with you. Open the Instagram app and then you'll need to go to the page for which you want to know when you started following that page or when you became a follower. You can do this by going to your page and select subscriptions here. You can also do it from your direct, or you can also just do it from your Instagram feed. Click just on the person. And after that, you'll need to click on the three dots in the upper right-hand corner. And then you can see the activity together. And here you can see that there are dates when you, for example, became a follower of a certain person. So you'll have a year and a month. The same thing, if that person is subscribed to you, there's a little bit of information about them up here, whether he is a subscriber of yours and also when it happened. Friends, this is how you will be able to know when you started following someone on Instagram app. Please like, comment, and also be sure to subscribe to the channel. See you all again.